There's no doubt that things are starting to cool off here in central Maryland. I've got a little bit warmer clothing on now. The leaves have all turned, they're starting to fall. October was one of the cooler months that we've had in a long time, and November's right here. And if you've been paying any attention at all to the real estate market, you realize that things are starting to cool off there as well. Homes are starting to slow down. They're taking a little bit longer and sitting on the market a little bit longer. With the rising mortgage rates, with the economy still spinning out of control, with the high cost of food, gas, and everything else that people need, and the cost of living just kind of going up, things are starting to cool down and slow down. So if you're thinking about selling your home anytime in the near future and you want to make the most money possible, you need an effective marketing plan. And that's why I want to share with you our 7 tips to maximize your home sales price. It's in our latest blog. Go to www.mdrprosblog.com and you can read the 7 tips to maximize your home sales price. Check it out and then reach out to me if you want to schedule a free consultation or if you'd like to have a free home value assessment of your home. Whether you're a home buyer or a home seller, I'd love to help you make the most out of today's market. Akuma Matata, it means no worries for all your real estate days. I look forward to talking to you soon. I look forward to earning your business. Take care.